Hey everyone, I'm Pallavi and today we are making crispy, fluffy and beautifully pink beetroot puris. Let's get started. First, I'm boiling some fresh beetroot until it's soft. Once done, I'll grind it into a smooth, vibrant paste. Now in a plate, I'm taking 3 cups of wheat flour, adding onion seed for extra flavor, and then a teaspoon of salt for seasoning. Next, in goes our beetroot paste. Just look at the color. Now start making a dough. I'm kneading this into a tight dough without adding any water. This is the secret to crispy and fluffy puris. After making a tight dough, I will keep it to rest for 10 minutes. Time to fry. I'm heating some oil in a kadhai, and while that's getting ready, I'm lightly greasing my rolling pin and chakla to roll out the puri smoothly. Now I'm cutting small pieces of the dough and rolling them into smooth small balls before flattening them into round puris. This helps in getting even shapes. Let's start rolling out these small balls into puris. One by one, I'm rolling out these dough balls into perfect circles. Let's fry them. The first puri went in. But oops, the oil was a bit too hot and it browned quickly. No worries, adjusting the heat and frying the rest. Look at them puff up beautifully, light, airy and super crispy. These puris are not just stunning to look at, but they are also packed with nutrients. A perfect way to sneak in veggies for kids who don't like eating them. Here they are, crispy, fluffy and absolutely delicious. These beetroot puris are not just tasty but also a great way to add nutrition to your meal effortlessly. Just look at this. The puri is perfectly crispy on the outside, soft and airy inside, and has irresistible golden pink hue. Each bite is light, flaky and full of subtle beetroot flavor. I serve them with my favorite chutney. Want the recipe for this chutney? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.